Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Luna Classic update today. So join me as I dive deep into the TA of Luna Classic one more time, and it's a challenge again to myself to predict its price movement for the next big trend coming up. So very quickly, Luna Classic cryptocurrency that's been making headlines, and for good reason. For the past couple of months, a lot of people have some high hopes in Luna Classic, and whether you're an investor, whether you're a trader, it's essential to stay on top of the charts. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. And if we get started here, first of all, Luna Classic has faced some significant challenges in the market, right? So it's no secret that prices has taken a hit for such a long time here, and the cryptocurrency market can be unpredictable, of course, and even the most promising projects can experience sudden downturns, which is not a big deal. We've seen Bitcoin going down, other altcoins are also going down. Now, one of the primary concerns for Luna Classic is investors is the volatility, which has left many of you wondering if it's a good time to buy or should we actually start to sell. Another major issue is the lack of adoption, which is now going down, and the growth is actually not being visible, and led to a decline in its market capitalization. Now, furthermore, the recent market correction has also had a significant impact on Luna Classic, especially when we talk about September, causing it to dip even further, at least for now. Now, in the current market climate, it's more important than ever to keep a close eye on these technical indicators and chart patterns. Now, if I do take some few close look here on the charts, I'm actually very positive right now. I'm actually very, very positive. And I'm going to tell you two things that are important on the candle side of it. So I'm just going to wash out some few patterns, and keep in mind that on the weekly time frame here, which I've opened up, we have 5 more hours to close today's week, and we're going to start Monday. We're going to start a new week as well, and then from there we're going to see what exactly happens. So I'm going to tell you what the technical indicators are telling me right now. So starting off with this weekly time frame, we have a very tricky situation. Number one, because I told you I'm going to talk about two things. So number one is, of course, a morning start that is about to be printed out. So in 5 hours, we're about to see a closing of this candle. And if we do close green, if we do close nearly AA26 at least, or even if you close half of it, the main condition is that we make a half closing of the candle. So if the half closing of the candle is green, that actually is going to combine to a morning star, and hopefully next week we start to see another push to the upside. That's first thing. The second thing is the market maker is going to trick you into believing that you're going to go down. Now, the reason why I say this is the following. There is a very similar pattern that is happening, and people are going to think that that Luna Classic is going to fall down. And what I'm talking about is that, did you see this red? And I'm going to zoom in again, right? I'm going to tell you this. So that red right over here, the green right over there, right? You have a little bit of this green here, and then you have this another green. It's very similar. These three candles are very, very similar to this red, this green, and then another green as well. So 2 green, 1 red, 2 green, 1 red. And what happens next is a move to the downside. Okay, now a lot of people are going to think that this history, this and a move down, is going to actually happen again. And I am on the side of saying that we're about to see a move back up and not actually a move back down. So the reason why I say this is because of the falling wedge. Now, if I do zoom out and I show you this, Luna Classic has done an incredible job of doing just what a falling wedge is supposed to do, unless I'm proven wrong otherwise. So for example, you have a falling wedge here, and it's very clear right now that we've already broken above the wedge. We came down for the retest, and the retest, goodness me, look at how perfect retest this is. Okay, and now we've made a little bit of a move up, a sideways movement, and we're hopefully going to be looking at least a push back up to 9555 here. Okay, now normally on a perfect scenario, what we want to see is actually that Luna Classics makes it all the way up here to 22,000, and right now we're sitting at 8,500. So I'm actually talking about nearly 120% or 150% move to the upside as your technical target out of this falling wedge right over here. Actually, this target comes from the falling wedge itself, so it makes a lot of sense. And Q4 is coming up as well. Okay, a very good time of crypto is about to come up. So all this little information, all these pieces, when you join together, makes a lot of sense that Luna Classic is probably going to be exploding. In my opinion, it's going to be exploding very, very soon. So to recap everything, we've covered the key challenges of Luna Classic, what is facing in the market. We've dived in into the technical indicators, chart patterns that are influencing the price action, and provided a potential price prediction. Remember, crypto is highly unpredictable, and it's essential to stay informed about the market trends. So make sure you're following me to keep up to date with a lot of coins that I do update on, and comment Discord if you want to be a part of Discord for absolutely free. And that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love.